Hey guys, it's Sincere, your realtor for life, and today I'll be talking about how I get paid. I wanted to put this out here because a lot of people have a lot of misinformation about how agents get paid. Now, today I won't be going over how Redfin agents get paid, but I'll be going over how your traditional agent who works at a brokerage gets paid, like at eXp Realty or Keller Williams. An agent isn't your typical W-2 worker. An agent is actually classified as an independent contractor. So they get taxed as a self-employed person would get taxed, even though they're technically an employee at a brokerage. Agents don't have any salary. Being an agent is typically commission-based. This means they only get paid when they sell a home or they make a sale of some sort. To best explain this, let's just take an average home sale for an example. With a $300,000 home, let's just take an average commission just to make this more simple. So from a $300,000 home, if the realtor won 6%, that would be split into two because there's the selling agent and then there's the listing agent. The selling agent brings the buyer. The listing agent is presenting the homeowner. So the commission would typically be split in half. 3% to the listing agent, 3% to the selling agent, the buyer agent. So that means 3% of the sales price of the home goes to the listing agent and 3% of the sales price of the home goes to the buyer agent, the seller agent. And then that number, whatever the buying agent gets and the listing agent gets, that gets split with the broker that they are working with. Some have 80-20 splits, some have 70-30 splits. That just depends on you and what your brokerage negotiated. For the purpose of this example, let's just use an 80-20 split. That means you would keep 80% of the total commission of the home. And then 20% of that would then go to your broker. And then the 80% we have left, we should then take 30% out for taxes. And this number is what you will have left. This will be what you actually net from a $300,000 home sale based on an 80-20 split. And this commission is typically paid from the homeowner, not from the buyer. And if you guys have any questions about what I talked about in this video, then please leave a comment below. Or if you want me to make a video around a specific topic, then please make a comment below. Thank you for watching. That's all I have for you guys today. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more real estate related content, and if you or anyone you know needs help selling, investing, buying, or even renting, then please contact me. I would be more than happy to help.